Did you know the same quarterback pulled off the greatest comeback in college football history and the greatest comeback in NFL history? In January 1993, the Buffalo Bills were dead, down 41-3 in the third quarter of a wildcard playoff game against the Houston Oilers. Backup quarterback Frank Reich was under center, and nobody gave Buffalo any chance. Then something impossible happened. Reich led the Bills on a run that still doesn't feel real. Touchdown after touchdown. The Bills tied it up and won 41-38 in overtime. 38 unanswered points. The greatest comeback in NFL history. But here is the part that makes your brain short-circuit. Years earlier, Frank Reich was at the University of Maryland and engineered the greatest comeback in college football history too. The same man. Two different sports. Two comebacks that had no business happening. This story never gets the credit it deserves because everyone is focused on Super Bowls. But Frank Reich didn't just do the impossible once. He did it twice. That is not luck. That is something else entirely.